Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. And this is the Askeladden C97. Good amount of space. And yeah, they have learned their lesson from last year. I gave basically every manufacturer the same crap about this. Now the doors open the correct way. That means out, because last year 99% of all the boats, the door opened inwards, so it was easy to get in, but basically impossible without some gymnastics to close the door. But this was really nice. And a real shower. If I would have one complaint, I would have the hinges this side. So when you open the door, no, it doesn't matter you have that, because then you could have been standing out here with some cover, you know, for change and stuff like that. But here you can just slide this. But this is one of the biggest boats here, but still not room for us. But the aft cabin is back. I really like that. This is the only boat who has that, but it only has 2 beds. So here for me and Sandra, back in the aft cabin, one of the kids, because when the kids are growing up, they won't share beds, even how big it is. So it would have been quite easy to have a mid cabin or something here. Like this is a 10-meter boat and you can sleep 4 people. Or 2 couples. And this is my favorite boat of the show, but I'm still really disappointed. So this year they don't have any replacement for our boat. Too bad.